How to pair JBL Charge 4 with Bluetooth device. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to pair JBL Charge 4 with Bluetooth device. Now let's get right into the tutorial. To pair the Charge 4 with source devices for the first time, you must first start pairing mode on it. In this mode, the speaker broadcasts its Bluetooth name and linkage data. By picking that up, other devices can pair to the speaker. So the first step is turn on the JBL Charge 4. Firstly, turn on the speaker by pressing its power button once. See this button pointed at by the bright green arrow. The speaker then comes on. Second, press the Pairing Discovery Mode button and release when the status lamp starts quickly flashing. To be able to discover your speaker on your source Bluetooth device, place it into pairing mode. For that, press and release the pairing button as pointed out in the picture. Furthermore, when you press the pairing button, the speaker makes a plucking guitar pairing sound. Plus, the lamp in the same button starts quickly blinking as white. Once the pairing button light is flashing, you should see the speaker on any in-range phone, computer, tablet, or smart speaker. So this is how you can pair JBL Charge 4 with Bluetooth device. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.